Cheaterbuster AI review. Is it legit or a scam? So Cheater AI or Cheaterbuster AI is an online tool formerly known as Swipe Buster. It's designed to help users locate Tinder profiles based on the public data, which is the name, age, location, and photos, and there's no Tinder account required. It promises identity matching, last active timestamp, and even weekly monitoring. So it also has some legit features and pros. It has an anonymous Tinder lookup. It also has mixed accuracy and a basic interface. Although it may comes with risks and limitations, the accuracy is a hit or miss. They have the pricing, which is very expensive and steep and murky, and they have an ethical and legal questions, so there's no formal tender affiliation, and data comes from scraping. So its pros and cons overview can reveal hidden tender profiles if data is available, but the accuracy fluctuates. It is also easy to use with the interface and anonymous searches. Well, in conclusion, is it legit? Well, yes, but narrowly, Cheaterbuster AI is a real service that can sometimes find Tinder profiles, but is it worth it? It's worth it if you're only okay with paying premium money per search and understand the results may be incorrect or outdated.